So we're on the hike, and I didn't have any problem finding it, but thanks for the map. Okay, guys, let's go. Heading down. Here seems a little hot today, too. They both do a little bit. Oh, it's actually pretty pleasant. Hey, guys. He's so sweet there. Come on, honey bunny. Come on, honey bunny. We're going to head down, guys. Let's head down. Hey, Larky. Hello, honey bunny. How are we doing, boys? Yeah, I think I timed it right. They seem a little tired. Yes, Lucky. He's such a good boy. He's so good. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hey, guys. Beautiful hike up here. I've been up here before, but I don't know that I've come up quite as far.